Today we're in the fabulous Colin Road in North Taunton to see this fantastic 2-bedroom house which does have the potential to be a 3. The property has been heavily extended and is set up as a 2, but with a partition wall could be made into a 3-bedroom very easily. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
I'm in the clouds, your touch is my remedy. Lose all of my sanity. I love the sound when you tell me I'm the only one. Way you got me feeling makes me come undone. Baby, you make it look easy. At the top, but you come meet me. Rise and shining like the sun. You're the coffee in my cup. Couldn't never get enough of your love, taking me up. Oh, don't you hesitate. Need you every day. Get lost in you, you're my hideaway.
If you like what you see here today, we'd love to hear from you. Please do get in touch. Thanks very much.